What's up, guys? It's me again. We're back in another vlog.
You're not recording that, right? That's not funny.
No.
Okay.
Sorry.
Why is the light on?
Oh, no, you don't have to worry about it.
Yo, I'm kind of bad, though.
Daddy, chill.
Oh, get this thing off of me. What's up, guys? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. If you guys watched the last video, or the last video, we wrapped the roof of David's car, and now we're going to be wrapping the pillars today. So we're gonna see how that goes. Want to give a huge shout out to OJ Tin Studio for letting us borrow his shop today, because today is his day off. So shout out to OJ. Link will be down below in the description if you guys need tints. Make sure you support the boy. All right, so the first step of doing the pillars is clay barring it and making sure it's nice, prepped, nice and clean. We're talking like we know what we're doing, but
I know what I'm doing.
oh yeah, actually, yeah, he does. He's an actual detailer. Stay Glossy Auto Detailing sponsored this video. Link is down below in the description.
Get 20% off.
20%.
Use code
SINTB. Yes. Oh, or
DGK 20.
Oh wow.
GK20.
Okay. Link is down below in the description. Stay Glossy Auto Detailing with the discount code. Did that sound natural? Or does that sound
Not really.
like he forced us?
He did force us, but don't put that in there.
Eduardo, cut this out.
You hired Eduardo again?
Yeah, Eduardo. He's been editing the videos the past few
No,
weeks.
dude. The one with like 3 legs? Wait.
What did he say?
Dude, don't show the imperfections on the roof.
No, they can't see it.
Yo, it actually looks good from this angle.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah, because it is good.
Whoa! How did you do it last time?
I'll do it. Alex is officially done with pulling off trim. Did you get that for your video too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it should be easy because it's broken already.
You're right. Okay. Alright.
That was easy.
Next thing we're gonna do is remove this back piece right here. That way we can tuck away all of the wrap through here. You can get this tool on Amazon. Are you gonna link this down below?
Yes.
There's like wrap.
Nobody's gonna buy it though, but yes.
Yeah, we'll just link it though. There's like a wrap starter kit tools where you just pry it open. Or pry it off, yeah.
Oh, it had double-sided tape on it.
Yeah. Just like that. Magic. Oh no. Not just kidding.
Yeah, it breaks it.
Oh! And we're good. Just like that. Now we can tuck away the wrap between there.
Let's go! Yeah! Woo!
Text me when you guys are done, but I'll leave my keys here. Don't leave that in there because I want to show like I helped too.
Okay. Do you want the like crinkles and air bubbles too, so it matches the top?
Just FaceTime me, dude. You know what to do.
Okay. So put the air bubbles, right?
I bet.
So Omar has this Reno window film display kind of thing, and inside it has this light. This light, I think, is supposed to represent like a sun. So this is clear glass. David, put your hand right in the front.
Oh yeah, I can feel that.
You feel it's warm, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then Phantom S9, I believe this one has like the most heat rejection. How's that feel?
I barely feel anything.
Okay. And then S5 has a little bit less heat rejection.
Oh, I feel
You
that.
feel that one, right?
Yeah.
And then competitor, I don't know what film they put as the competitor, but
I feel
eBay,
that.
Amazon.
okay, so the best one is Phantom S9.
Oh, wow.
Barely feel that.
Barely feel it. I think this one's 98% heat rejection. It is a little bit more pricey, but this
Hey, that's
is
worth it, though.
yeah, this is a cool display right here. I like this. I've never seen this before.
It's just clear.
Wait, yeah, feel the clear.
That's warm.
You could tell, right?
Yeah.
Whenever I get tint, it's usually for the looks. I never really think about the heat rejection, but now that I see it like this, it makes more sense now, especially if you live in a hot area like Stockton or Sacramento, and even sometimes in the Bay Area, the summertime gets super hot. So yeah, the S9, spicy. because now we're coming down. Omar just got his scooter.
Yes, sir.
First test drive. Driving it off the lot.
You think Uber will let me would verify this?
You should. So we ran into a slight issue. I'll show you guys in a little bit. This always happens, bro. This always happens.
Get Ubered here. You said what song am I listening to? Katy Perry, Fireworks. Oh, you said what do I do for a living?
Double it and give it to the next person.
A Grubhub. Double it and give it to
So we ran into a small issue right here. You know, everything's looking good. Until you close the door.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Oh my gosh. I'm just kidding. So as you can see, we kind of ran out of wrap right here and we really weren't thinking, and we happened to stop right here, and we're gonna try to reheat it and stretch it over a little, just enough so it doesn't like tear it. Oh, who is this? What's your name?
I don't want to be on camera.
She's a little shy, guys.
Why are you so shy? You're being a little
Hey. Whoa. Whoa, you don't get demonetized.
I'm gonna break your heart right now.
Why?
Look at your shoes.
How'd that happen? How did that happen for real?
Homie's wing fell off, bro.
Free Omar.
Damn.
Damn, I didn't even realize it right now. Can you get the super glue?
I'll glue it back for you though.
For real?
Yeah, I can fix
Oh
it.
shit, new services, guys. Damn, I didn't know. For real, these how old are these? 12?
11 years old.
No way.
Here is a quick update. This is how everything is looking. It's a little bit dirty, so it has like our handprints or fingerprints on here. And then David ended up removing this, but he's gonna put it back, so it'll cover this area. It came out pretty good. Look at that. Oh, yeah.
You can stand on the tire too if you need to.
Whoa, what are you doing here?
You guys ordered food, no? Grubhubs? What?
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 Dude, what's up with these Jordans?
It's a new style, bro.
Alex for the help.
I didn't do anything.
Well, thanks for being here.
Yeah.
Thanks for the moral support.
Yeah, moral support.
It's all done now. How do you feel?
How do you guys feel?
I'm tired, but I feel happy. I feel good. 10 hours later.
10 hours later.
For real.
If you guys need your roof wrapped or your pillows wrapped, don't hit us up.
Do not.